In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create section zoom in PowerPoint. Section zoom is a great way to make your presentation feel more interactive. It lets you place a clickable thumbnail on a slide that jumps straight to a specific section, and then returns you to where you started when that section ends. It's perfect for overviews, agendas, or anytime you want to move around your deck without scrolling through every slide. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation. Section zoom works with sections you've already organized in your file, so make sure your deck is arranged into sections beforehand. You'll usually see those section names in the left thumbnail pane, acting like dividers between groups of slides. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Look for the Zoom command. When you click Zoom, choose Section Zoom from the menu. This opens a window that lists all the sections in your presentation. Take a moment to pick the section you want your audience to jump to when they click the Zoom thumbnail. You can select just one section or choose several if you plan to place multiple zooms on your slide. Selecting clearly named sections will make this step quicker and reduce confusion later. Once you've selected the section, click Insert. PowerPoint drops a Zoom thumbnail right onto your current slide. Think of it like a live doorway into that part of your presentation. By default, it uses the first slide of the chosen section as the preview image. Now, resize and position the section zoom so it fits your layout. Drag the corners to scale it proportionally, and move it to the spot where you want your audience's eyes to go first. If you're building an agenda slide, you might line up multiple section zooms for each part of your talk. Keep spacing and alignment consistent so everything looks intentional and polished. When you present, clicking the section zoom sends you directly to the first slide of that section. After you finish that section, PowerPoint returns you to the slide with the zoom, so you can continue smoothly. This keeps your flow flexible without breaking your narrative. If you want to match your design, you can style the thumbnail like any image using the formatting options that appear when the zoom is selected, such as adding a border or adjusting the picture style. And that's it. You've placed a section zoom, chosen exactly where it leads, and made it look great on your slide, all while keeping navigation simple and engaging.